Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make columns in Notion. So let's get started. To create columns in Notion, follow these steps. Ensure you are using the web or desktop app version of Notion, as columns are visible on these platforms. Mobile versions consolidate everything into a single column. Creating columns. Visit the page where you want to create columns. Create headers or content for each column you plan to have. Hover your mouse over the header you want to place immediately to the right. Click and drag on the 6-dotted icon that appears to the left of the header, and move it to the right of the one above it. Release the mouse to create your column. Multiple blocks. For multiple blocks, highlight everything you want to move into a new column before dragging and dropping. Resizing columns. To resize columns, mouse over the space between each column until gray vertical bars appear. Click and drag to the left or right to adjust the column width. By following these steps, you can easily create and customize columns in Notion to enhance your workspace organization. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Side by side. Now, you have databases side by side in Notion. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.